Daesung Station. Pyeongchang Line. At papunta daw kami sa bus terminal ng aking anak na si Batchoy. Say hi, baby. Hi. Exit 1, left turn. So this is Daesung Station. Just go forward. We're going to bus terminal. Maingay ngayon dahil nasa. We're going to get straight, Adel. Oh, Bukhangang Gangbyeonkil. Oh, it's near North Hangang.
It's very long walk.
No, just follow me, baby. If it's wrong, then we will come back.
Where are we going?
We're going to Taesongni bus garage.
That was red light.
Oh. I didn't know that there is a line there, baby. There's a crossroad. That's okay. We will go to our destination first and let's come back. Okay? Nakita na naman niya yung convenience store. See you. Gusto na namang bumili. We're gonna come back later, Adel. We need to go to our destination first. Okay? Wow, what is this? I think this is a store. Pero na-bankrupt siguro. Oh, there's a bus stop there. But we should keep going, Adel. Do you remember? Can you check if there is 3300-44 here? Can you see? This is for taxi. It's not a bus stop. Huh?
We passed.
We passed the bus stop? Oh, I think so. So we're going back later. We need to go to our destination first.
Let's go.
Okay?
We need to ride the bus.
No, we need to walk. It's just there, baby. It's just near. Don't you remember before we rode the bus? I think it was just one stop. And I saw it.
But it's so far.
It's not far, baby.
No, it takes about a few minutes.
Oh, just a few minutes. How long is a few minutes? You're just lazy to walk. Parang probinsya na ito, guys. It's like we're in a suburb between the country and the city. Malapit lang ito sa Seoul. Hurry up, baby, hurry up. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Quick. You need to go first. Take it slowly anyway. It's not that far. Can we see this one? Oh, what are these? Oh, can you see that one, Adel? There is a pension house there. Look. M&M pension. That is a trail, Adel. That one with the green gate over there. That's a trail. Oh, dyan kami dumaan, guys. Oh. So this is a Bukhangang Gangbyeonkil. Oh, that's a Gangbyeon trail.
Pension.
A pension house, just like what we been before at the Gapyeong. Do you remember?
Chongpyeong.
Yeah, I remember. That's Chongpyeong. Oh, what bus is that? Oh, there's also Emart 24 here. May convenience store din pala dito na Emart. Yan.
I want to
So,
eat samgyeopsal.
you need to decide what do you like to eat, Adel.
In there. That
Where?
Kwandong, that one.
Ah, that's gonna be Saturday. That's a cafe. Cafe restaurant.
Okay.
Yep. My favorite. But I think it is closed. See? It's still closed. It's too dark inside. Kaya maingay guys kasi nandito kami ngayon sa along the highway. I think malapit na kami sa bus garage. We've been walking 6 minutes past. Walang masyadong tao dito. Isn't it, Adel? There's not much people here. Huh? Where's the bus stop, Adel? Ah, there's a bus garage there. Oh. There's the bus garage. That's the bus garage I was talking.
But what is the...
Oh, Nakshi. Oh, fishing shop. I think the river is very close here. Can we go over there later? At the Pukhangang? Ah, there is a coffee shop. Ah, no. Coffee vending machine here. I want to buy coffee. Oh my God, it's expensive here. 800 pala. Oh, Nakshi Supa. Fishing supermarket. May bahay dyan guys. So we are now at bus garage. There's number 33. 58-3. Oh, remember that, Adel? The bus? 1330-4. So, ito ang gusto ng anak ko, guys, na puntahan. Do you want to take now the photo, Adel? Can we go to the edge? Let's go to the edge, Adel.
What is the station?
This is Namyangju. It says Namyangju. Oh. 58 dash. Ah, that's... Thank you, bus. Huh? Huh?
What station is this?
It's a Gyeongchun line. It's there, oh. Unsung Group. KD Unsung Group. It says. Can you see that? That. KD. Oh, we have... I think we have ridden this one before, Adel. Number 33 bus. Do you remember? I think so. Oh, that's KD. KD. Oh. Let's go. Oh. What? Do you want to take the photo? Huh? Do you want to take the photo, Adel? Where?
Video.
Where would you like to video? Ah, there's a house over there. Ha? Itong anak ko. Magbi-video muna siya, guys. Mamaya ulit. So, ayan guys. Nandito kami sa bus garage ng anak ko. Magbi-video muna siya. This is Namyangju. Very old bus.
That's why that's the station.
Ah. That's a someone. Thank you, boss. Very nice. Can you stand up there, baby? Adele, you stand up there. Stand up there. I'm gonna take your video. You smile. You smile, baby. Dance, baby. Can you dance? That's a double-decker bus. There's another one, other. Red bus. Say goodbye now, baby. Bye-bye.